So I am at Swami Vivekananda Sarovar, also known as Bandra Talao. This is the kind of entrance, and spoiler alert, the lake is not in great condition. That's the statue of Swami Vivekananda. It wasn't there previously, so I guess. And this road, this part of the access road was also closed off, so they opened it. We'll see that later on. Yeah, talking about the lake, great condition, but yeah, well, we have to work with what we have. Let's take a walk. Usually it gets crowded in the evening, depends on the mood of the people, but you can sit here and enjoy the view up ahead. It's the road that takes you to the Bandra Station as well, in addition to this road. I'm not happy with the state of the lake. So this is where you actually sit and relax in the evening. The huge crowd of pigeons. Okay, I don't know what a group of pigeons is called. Look at that. Moving on. So these are the pigeons. Let's not disturb them, although they will start flying off in every other direction. So you see that's the renovation that was done by VMC, the part that was created. This is actually not there previously, so this part is not there. So look at that, it's the lamps that they've added, path, although it needs a little bit of maintenance and cleaning. No matter. But feels good, like it's an okay place if you just want to sit and relax all by yourself or with someone. Yeah, this part seems to be clean because it's kind of like far away from the horde of pigeons back there. And if you see in the middle, there are like fountains which are not working. I think they work every now and then in the evening. So there are like lights and everything that like light up in the evening, and they start the show. Majority in the evening you'll find them working. Yep, that's there is to this place. This is actually clean during monsoon. Like this lake actually overflows, and all the water kind of like spills on the road that you see. But it's been 4 months since monsoon, and that's the state of the lake. So So I guess that's it for the lake, Bandra Talao, also known as Swami Vivekanand Lake. So that's the Bandra Talao.